Hello designers, this is Rebecca and this is your assignment 3, Web Gallery Critique. So for this assignment, you were to demonstrate the new skills you've learned thus far by creating a gallery page for your website. You were to publish your gallery that includes 25 to 30 of your best examples of work with perfectly white balanced images, titles, dimensions, the medium that it was made in, and and all the links must be working. Um, Great. So let's go ahead and take a look at everyone's submissions. So first we'll start with Ariana. I'm going to enter. Great. So here's the gallery and just waiting for everything to load. All right. So I am just clicking through your images. Very nice. I am glad to see the description and dimensions at the bottom. I love seeing all these pictures as big as possible. Fun lighting, really nice. Great, excellent. Good work so far. Hold on just a second. What am I seeing here? Okay, sorry. I was like, did you design the cover for those fruit bars from TJ's? Great, great, great. Sorry, I'm being quiet. Sure, you capitalize untitled, okay? All right, so I just recommend grouping these into categories. It feels very random right now as far as you have lots of digital photography mixed with lots of different types of design. So depending on what jobs you want to get, put that category at the beginning, then go to the next category and or the next best category, next best kind of job you want, next best job, that kind of thing. Okay. But other than that, all the links are working nicely. I'm happy to see the pictures as huge as possible. And yeah, I think it's good to go. Thanks so much, Ariana. All right, next up is Mal. Great. Cool. Okay, so I'm happy to see these kind of little categories here. I think it looks really nice. Great. Oh, this is so clear how it's organized. I love it. Really nice. All right, cool. I'm going to go back up. All right, so let me click on one and see what happens. So we get to go to a case study that's in a Google Doc. That's not going to work. So oh, and now I lost your site. Okay. So you'll need to create that case study as a page. All right. And let me just find your site again. Okay, so I'll click on this one. Great. Okay. Great. Good. Okay. Looking good. Oh, I'm on another Google Doc. Okay. I think you're probably going to put it in a page. You just aren't there yet. So no problem. Good. All right. Now I want to see what happens when I click on the last thing in the category. If it jumps, nope, to the next category. Let's see. Okay, it's just kind of clicking on it. Okay, I think that works. It doesn't need to leave the category and go to the next category. Good. Great. Does it? Oh, okay. It's going down the columns. Got it. Okay. Really good. Really nice organization. I love that these are like full size. You have all your info at the bottom. Looks good. Really nice. Great. Great. Let me just see what happens here. Oh, okay. It just opens right there. Will they click big? No. Okay, so you just have the option to view it in YouTube or do full screen. Okay, cool. That's cool. That's good. And then these don't link. So just so you know, if you didn't already, those aren't uh, doing anything yet. All right, good. I'm happy with it. Um, you may want to, I'm just looking here. I don't know if there's a way in your description to say like case study. You might want to start with the words case study, just so we know what we're clicking into. Uh, so it gives people like a heads up. Okay, excellent. Thanks, Mal. Next up is Vanessa. Great. All right. Nice. Okay. So I'm happy to see, oh, that looks great. I'm happy to see the back to the top here. You may want to do another link that's back to work. You know what I mean? Like back to your portfolio list or something along those lines, since we're opening a new page. It looks so good though. Really nice. Really cute. Great. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Excellent. Cute. Great. All right, everything seems to be good. Excellent. I know that this might seem kind of boring, like watching me click through your site, but I think it's good to see how people interact with your site. Oop, because you know how your site's supposed to work. And when you know how your site's supposed to work, then you click on those things in a certain kind of order. You know what I mean? So it's good to see if visitors interact the same way. This looks awesome. It's really nice. Easy enough, huh? Once you figure out the steps to take to get the gallery part of your site to work. Great, great, great. All right, great. Thanks so much, Vanessa. Good work. Oh, I didn't see the, never mind. We're good. Okay, great. All right, this looks nice with the rollovers. That's lovely. Okay, let's start at the top and I will click on one. Great. So we have like a whole group here. That's nice. So from here, I need a little direction. So maybe at the bottom, you might want to have like a go to previous work, go to back to the menu, and go to the next piece, that kind of thing, like previous menu, next, previous work, whatever you want to call it. Otherwise, I'm just relying on going back up to your menu. You know what I mean? Great. So we have a little case study here. Looks really nice. Really good. Good. So since our menu isn't sticky, we have to scroll back up to the top. So that's where those previous work menu and or previous work and next will be very handy, okay? Cute. Really nice. Great. Awesome. Awesome. Looks good. Excellent. These mock-ups look really nice. Looks super pro. Great little case study. Very nice. Really nice. I lost my place. Oh, here we go. Looks nice. Mm-hmm. Great. Cute. Cute. Great. Excellent. Cute. Very cute. All right. Great. All right. I think that's everything. So all the links work nicely. The case studies look really good. So we just need a little more navigation at the bottom of each page, I think is the way to go. Okay. Thanks so much, Amanda. Next up is Michelle. All right. So I can't click on anything to enlarge it, but this is a nice layout. I don't know if you're able to do this, but I like these rounded corner squares. And so I don't know if you can, show them in every single one of these thumbnails. It just would be by changing the background color from white to something else, even a super, super light gray or something. It just really makes the grid look super clean. You know what I mean? You could even, if you wanted it to be white behind this logo, then you could have a like white to super light gray radial gradient so that it stays white behind the logo. Excellent. So are we going to be able to click on these? And then with this one, I'm not sure why it's like a different size. So just fix that one so that it's the same height as the rest of the squares there. Okay, thanks so much, Michelle. Next up is Katrina. All right, pretty. This looks awesome. Great. Okay, so you have a back up to the top button, but we do have to rely on either the back button, which you never want in web design, or the menu. So what I recommend is at the bottom of your pages, you have a previous and then a work, like to take us back to the work menu or whatever, and then a next button. And so that'll help us so that when we get to the bottom, we don't have to scroll back up to the top and click on the work menu. We can just keep going, clicking through all your work and seeing it all easily. All right, this looks great. Excellent. You can keep the back to the top of the page button, though. That's always helpful, I think, when it's a long page. It's great. So, oh, this is cool. Sorry, I didn't catch these before. Are they on every page? Uh-oh, now I'm getting, hold on, let me check it again. Sorry. There is a, okay, so it's just it's like blog style. You might also like. So I think maybe, I don't know if it's possible to add those links above the you might also like, like right here. All right. Great. That's a lot of good work here. All right. This looks awesome. Really nice work. Excellent. All right. I'm just going to click on this one. Ooh, cute. Really nice. All right. Okay. I think I didn't see this one. Cool. Okay, so those, let me go ahead and go back to the work page. Sorry, I know it's not super exciting watching me like look at your site. Hey, so this one, I think you could crop a lot of this gray out. Wait, you have so much more work to show. Why not show more? You have a lot from that assignment if you wanted to throw those in there because they look great. Cute. Right. Cute. All right. Fun. These are pretty big. I don't know if you want to make them smaller, but I think it's okay. All right. Is that everything? Let's see. Everything is organized nicely. It looks great. I'm just seeing what else I missed here. Oh, you have a lot. Okay, fun. Okay, so since I'm down here, I'll just go here. Great. Nice. I saw both of these. Yes. And don't see the spike one. Okay, I saw those. Mm, 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 mm. Didn't see this one. Looks good. I really like all of the, there we go. Oh, cool. That's cool. I like all the, excellent, uh, I forgot what I was going to say now. Oh, like these descriptions and stuff to kind of introduce the pieces is really nice. So those. Didn't see this one yet. Great. It's really fun. Really nice. Excellent. Wonderful. I think that might be it. Let's see. Do, do, do. Oh, food packaging. Great. Oh, that's it. Okay. So I don't think I saw this one yet. And you see this one? Beautiful. Oh, yes, I did see this one. One more, I think, is this one here. So everything is good. When things take a long time to load like that, and I have really fast internet, you might want to check the size of your image file. Okay, so you want to keep your image files less than 1 meg. So if they're higher than that, resize them in Photoshop and re-upload them. Okay, great. Thanks so much, Katrina. Kaylin. All right, great. I'm just going to click in here and see what happens. Great, pretty. All right. So you may want to have at the bottom of screens, pages, you might want to, excellent. All right, great. You might want to have three links down here, like previous, work, and next, or just previous and next, since you already have this menu right here and it's pretty accessible. Okay, so maybe previous back to top and next, that kind of thing. Great. Okay. All right, everything's working great. Oops, sorry. Get back in your site. Lovely. I'll click on all these before I grade. This looks great. Really nice work. Super clean, very easy to navigate. Ooh, it's a long page. Good job. All right, good, good. Ooh, good job with the back to top. I think that's a great decision there. Nice. Cute. All right, cool. Let me see what happens when I click on this. Hmm. Okay, that's cool. I was thinking, why not just have it all on the site? But I can see why you kept it separate. Yay! Nice. Great. Doo-doo. Ooh, fun. Awesome. It's good. Really nice. Really nice. Looks great. Very pretty. Very nice. Do not worry. Good. Cool. Great. Looks good. Just two more. Really nice. Very pretty. All right. And last one. Cute. Great work. All right, you're good to go. Thanks so much, Kaylin. Next up is Aubrey. Okay, so I think we have categories, maybe? Got it. Okay, so here's our case studies. Cute. All right. So I recommend, so we have an you may also like, but I recommend above that if you can insert like a previous or next, previous and next option, maybe even a previous portfolio and next something like that, so that we don't have to use the back button. All right. Cute. Nice layout. All right, great. And character design. Great. Very cute. I'm not going to use the you may also like. Oops, I'm sorry. Oh, hold on. All right, so I see. Okay, we'll get there. So your homepage is going to change dramatically, just so you know. All right, let me get to portfolio. So now can I click through these? No, I have to go back to portfolio. Okay, character design. Okay, I saw that one. And then we saw Royal Crossing, the wave. All right. So if a page takes a little while to load, then just check that your image sizes are less than 1 meg. If they're bigger than that, then you need to take them into Photoshop and resize them so they're smaller than the 1 meg, okay? Yeah, this is looking good. Great. Nice. Cute. All right. Cute. Okay, so Olive. Oh, I didn't see Michael's. Great. And Susan. Lovely. See you yet? Oh, fun. Great. Great. Just going to go back to the portfolio page, see if I missed anything. I don't think I saw these two, so cute little infographic. Oh, I did see this. Okay, excellent. So yeah, I think just if you could have on the pages a previous portfolio and a next button that at the bottom of each piece, I think that'd be really helpful to help people just kind of scroll through your work as quickly and smoothly as possible. Okay, thanks so much. And that's it. Thanks so much, everybody.